shadow, from chapel to street. Same fire, same spirit.
Oh Jah,
Awake in the land,
awake in the land.
awake in the land.
From the dust we stand.
From the dust we stand. Midnight bell ring, but no one sleep. Voices rise from the valley deep. Old time prayer in a new time cry. Same old truth they can't deny. From the hills where the prophets try, to the corners where we call on God. Every burden, every broken scar, turn to strength in who we are. And the pressure come from every side. Still the faithful now go run and hide. Through the storm we testify. Fire in we bones we now let it die. The spirit of our land keeps rising, higher than the fear and the fighting. Through the tears and the sacrificing, still we stand,
Still we rising.
Lord, the spirit of our land keeps
Rising.
through the dark, see the light igniting. From the roots to the hills united, hearts on fire.
We keep rising.
Babylon whisper, twist the word, but the truth still loaded, must be heard. You them lost in a world so cold, trading their birthright cheap for gold. But the elder chants still echo strong. Hold the faith, don't drift too long. Plant your feet where your roots run deep. So what you reap, and reap what you keep. Ready? We ready now.
Steady, steady.
We hold the ground.
Plant a seed.
Watch it grow.
Watch it grow.
Grow from the fire.
Let it show.
No chain can bind what just set free. No wall too high for faith to see. Through every trial, through every test, we carry the power within our chest. Not by might and not by gold, but by the Spirit, the truth unfold. So we rise like dawn again, healing hearts of broken men. The spirit of our land
Keeps rising.
hear the drums and the soul.
United.
Through the ages,
Still we fighting.
with love and truth,
We keep rising.
oh, the spirit of our land
Keeps rising.
from the weak make the strong.
Surprising.
Every voice know,
Harmonizing.
lift it up.
Keep it rising. Rise.
Stand firm, stand firm. The spirit of our land
Keeps rising.
yeah. Zion calling, Zion calling, I and I, yeah. From the valley of the sun and the rising sea, we come forward in a unity. Oh, Babylon fade when the trumpet sound. Truth and roots gonna shake them ground. Hear the drum and the river cry. Ancient voices rising high. Babylon thinks the pressure go break, man. But they never know the roots grow deeper in the star. Them build wall for try box in the mind, but truth moves silent like river through time. Man rise from dust, no gold, no crown. Still we never bend, still we never bow down. Life get rough like cobblestone road. Too much weight pon the youth, them load. Them system cold, them promised in, but we still find light where the darkness been. Mama say pick yourself up, don't you stray. Jah guide we feet every night, every day. From concrete jungle to Zion flame, we chant one voice, we calling his name. Babylon can't hold we down, no way. We roots too deep, we not fade away. Fire in our heart and we spirit stay strong. We been through hell but we still sing song. Babylon can't hold we down, hear that sound. Truth like thunder shake the battleground. Chains them broke when the righteous pray. I rise every single day. Them teach division, color and fear, but we see unity crystal clear. One love now just slogan pan wall. It's survival when the night time calls. Street get dark but we still see light. Wisdom come through struggle and fight. Every scar tells story of pain, but every storm brings sunshine again. Them want silence, but we can load. Voice of the people rising through crowd. No politician can sell we soul. We keep it pure like pure rock stone gold. Babylon try, but we not fall. Jah voice inside we call. Echo deep through concrete and steel. Tell them system nothing we feel. Babylon cowl, we don't know it. We roots too deep, we not fade away. Fire in our heart and we spirit stay strong. We been through hell but we still sing song. Babylon cowl, we don't hear that sound. Truth like thunder shake the battleground. Chains them broke when the righteous pray. I rise every single day. So we walk on, we roots in our heart and fire in our bone. Babylon can't hold we. Never could, never will. River of life keep flowing, wash away the pain of the nations. I speak truth through the mist of time. Carry the weight of forgotten years. Man born free, but the world get cold. Modern chains in a digital hole. Currency rule like invisible king. People them divide for the value it bring. Rich get richer, poor stay same. Whole heap of struggle in a global game. Nations rising, tension high. Brother look brother straight in the eye. Borders get tight, hearts the truth be seen. Life more than money, more than machine. River of healing, carry we home. Even the lost still find where to roam. Nothing in Babylon ever stay long. Only the earth and the soul stay strong. See, modern slavery were different phase. Contract chains in a digital space. Work till you drop, but you still can't rest. Chasing survival, passing the test. Market shake and the nations divide. Warring in name of the price of pride. Oil and gold and the paper trucks, turning creation back into dust. But Mother Earth, she still they cry. Storms get louder in the sky. She don't belong to the hands of man. She was never part of the greedy plan. Time no stay, power fade away. Money burn, but earth still stay. Nations rise, then fall again. Only truth walk through the rain. So live today with a lighter hand. Feel the wind, understand the land. Heal the heart, let ego go. River of truth always go flow. River of healing, wash we clean. Through all the chaos and the in-between. Lift up the spirit, let the truth be seen. Life more than money, more than machine. River of healing, carry we home. Even the lost still find where to roam. Nothing in Babylon ever stay long. Only the earth and the soul stay strong. We come and we go, like river to sea. But truth remain longer than memory. Respect Mother Earth. Live light, love deeper. No matter the storm, I still stand firm. Children of the Most High, never lose faith. But I still steady, still alive. Road get rough, shoe them waiting. Still we find light where the dark begin. Life throws stones, but we learn to bear. Every ending just a brand new friend. Faith no shake when the night get cold. Truth stay burning more than gold. Them try confuse with the noise outside, but peace of Jah long and bare. Still we know Jah Jah is there. Children of the Most High, we rise again. Through every struggle, through every pain. We not give up, we not break down. We keep the fire when trouble come round. Children of the Most High, stand so blessing still. Even when the road gets steep uphill. Them want we panic, them want we fear. But I and I vision stay crystal clear. We walk through fire, we learn to flame, but we never lose Jah holiness. Some days heavy,
Heart feels strange.
still we dance in the
Pouring rain.
cause Jah no depend on material thing. It come from the source where the angels sing. Hold on,
Don't let go.
faith is more than what you know.
Storm will pass.
Night turn day, Jah Jah.
Light will show the way.
So we lift each other when we fall. Hear the spirit when it's softly called. Unity stronger than iron and chain. Love survive through every pain. No matter the test or the heavy load, we still walk in that righteous road. Children of light, we destined to rise, with truth reflecting in our eyes. Children of the Most High,
We rise again. Through every struggle.
through every pain. We not give up, we not break down. We keep the fire when trouble come round. Children of the Most High, stand so strong, even when everything feel wrong. Yet like river, it carry we through. No matter what,
I try to.
stay firm, stay rooted. Even when life don't make sense, just still guiding the steps. Bam, 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 bam. When the word goes still and the spirit start to speak, hear the drum. It is not just sound, it is prayer. Hey, hey. Hey, yeah, 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 yeah. Hey. When clock strike 12 and the street them sleep, I and I rise from the top so deep. Bare feet steady upon sacred ground, waiting for that ancient sound. Drums start talking a heartbeat tone, like ancestors calling us back home. No microphone, no stage, no fame, just spirit, fire calling your name. Night air heavy, but the soul feel light. Truth revealed in the silence of night. Every strike of his skin and wood remind I and I of where we stood. Midnight drum prayer, carry me higher, burning through doubt like holy fire. Spirit man rising, breaking the chain, call We recognize we always. I see faces change like weather and tide. Same ones who laugh when you stand in your pride, but when you stumble, when you follow, suddenly nobody want for no friends turn stranger in a blink of an eye. See your mouth bless you, then tell lie. Family close but intentions far. Some love shine like a fading star. Workplace smile but envy grow. Church and mosque where illusion flow. Everybody preaching love thy brother, but behind the curtain them betray each other. Roots in my bones, I feel it deep. Truth never sleep when the night gets deep. Energy talk, it never deceive. Only the real ones know what I believe. Roots in my bones, I stand alone. Even when voices turn to stone. Life show lesson, I see it clear. Not everyone standing really sincere. When you up, them gather like bees. When you're down, them disappear with ease. That's how the system trained the mind to love what benefit and leave behind. But I learn from pain and flame. Not every smile mean the same. Some come close just fi take and go. Never planting, just watching you grow. So I move careful, I move wise. See through masks behind disguise. Every action speak louder than word. Truth too heavy but still must be heard. Energy don't lie, no need for explanation. What is real will survive time. What is fake will fall away. Stay away, I stay ahead. Don't trust every word that's said. Life deeper than the deepest sea. Not everything is what it seemed to be. I choose silence over confusion, distance over illusion. Peace of mind is the real goal, more than anything they try to hold. If you stand alone, stand strong and true. The right ones will eventually find you, but never beg where love is fake. Better to walk than a heart that breaks. Roots in my bones, I feel it deep. Truth never sleep when the night gets deep. Energy talk, it never deceive. Only the real ones know what I believe. Roots in my bones, I stand alone. Even when voices turn to stone. Life show lesson, I see it clear. Not everyone standing really sincere. Stay wise, stay grounded, and watch energy more than words. Because roots don't lie. Heavy heart, long road, but I hear it. Freedom train is coming. Heart heavy like morning rain, smiling outside but inside pain. Love turned puzzle, hard to read. Too many words but none we need. Relationship caught in a stormy tide. Two souls drifting side by side. Used to be fire, used to be flame. Now only echo calling name. Confusion walk like shadow near, whispering thoughts I can't explain, searching for peace through all this strain. Freedom train coming down the line, blow that whistle right on time. Even when heart feel broken, torn, hope still rise with every dawn. Freedom train, don't pass me by. I need that chance to heal and try. From sorrow road to brighter day, I'm stepping on. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Tears fall silent in a midnight room. Love feel like a fading tune. What we had was real once before, but now we knock on a closing door. Still I hold on faith inside, even when pride and pain collide. Every ending bring new start, even when it break the heart. Life no straight, it twist and bend. Some journeys break, but still they mend. So I breathe through broken dreams. Life ain't always what it seems. Don't give up, don't let go. Even rivers change their flow. Pain will pass, love may heal. Truth is something you still can feel. So if you're lost, just hold your ground. Freedom train is coming round. You don't ask perfect, don't ask old, just a willing heart and a tired soul. Step inside when the bell ring loud. Leave behind the heavy cloud. Every tear will find release. Every heart will find its peace. Freedom train coming down the line, blow that whistle right on time. Even when heart feel broken, torn, hope still rise with every dawn. Freedom train, don't pass me by. I need that chance to heal and try. From sorrow road to brighter day, I'm stepping on. I'm on my way. Love hurt, but healing is real. And freedom always finds the ones who keep walking.